We headed to the dance competition. We got it going on. This is the first time we've been off to one of these things without the motor home. Babydoll.
I had to pack.
She had to pack. She ain't packed nothing in how long?
7 years.
7 years she ain't packed. We've always took our house
Look back
with us.
there.
Hey, we're going off for a 2-day weekend. Actually, a day and a half. We got enough stuff to last a wagon train. But we got our stuff. Mama bad about her stuff. She said, I can't decide what I want to wear.
I changed clothes 2 or 3 times while I'm going somewhere.
All right.
You gonna lock that back there? Or no?
I'm gonna hang the lock, yeah. Turn it off, hang the lock.
We'll catch on down the road.
And over that river I go. They say I'll be in beautiful heaven, I know. Ready to go to that golden shore and live there while ages shall roll. And I long to see Jesus and saints of yore in heaven, blessed home of the soul. He'll hold my hand, and over that river I go. Say I'll be in beautiful heaven, I know. That's how we pass the time while we traveling. We're at the dance. I'm watching 4 of my grandbabies dance. I don't care about watching none of them others. They just don't interest me at all. But my grandbabies do. I love watching them dance. And we up here, one of these big old convention centers and everything. I'm a peon, so I talk to peons. And I stand out there talking to them. Security guard and everything. We was down there on the floor with everybody else. I don't know what it is about Babydoll, but she can get the most out of people. I talked to him just a little bit. He's standing there talking with me. He's talking about everything. And she says, can we go up yonder and sit up there where I can film? And guess where we're at? We're in Skybox 1. In the casino, and she's up here taking pictures in this skybox. And we watching the grandbabies dance, and they're coming on right now. We'll do the dance here. I got 2 or 3 of my grandbabies out there on the floor right now.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.